How to choose subjects in Gauth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different subjects. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can search for different subjects. Here on the bottom, you can find different subjects that are available. Now, in order to change or switch into them, simply tap on them. And as you can see, I've been easily switching it. So it's basically clicking photos about the questions or even the things that you want to inquire about. So it's better you simply switch on to them and click the photos, and the AI will automatically give you all the answer. So it's quite easy and friendly too. So simply tap on the subject and click the pictures and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.